Good day, students. Today, we want to talk on a topic that really deal with radioactivity, half-life, the element that emit radiations from their nucleus, and the phenomenon of radioactivity was discovered in 1896 by a French physicist named Henri Becquerel. After several experiments he carried out, he noticed that uranium emits some kinds of rays that affect thick black paper. It penetrates thick black paper and affects the photographic plate placed at the other side. Okay, let's see. The phenomenon of radioactivity was discovered in 1896 by French physicist Henri Becquerel. He noted while performing some experiment that uranium gave out some kinds of rays that would penetrate through thick black paper and affect a photographic plate placed on the other side. This phenomenon is called radioactivity. And substances that give rise to radioactivity are called radioactive substances or elements. Radioactive elements. They are those elements that spontaneously emit radiations from their nucleus, e.g., radium, thorium, radon, ionium, polonium. Half-life. Half-life of a radioactive element is the time taken for half of the atoms initially present in the element to decay. We are going to see some workings on that as we move on in the topic. For example, if you have 1000 atoms of a radioactive element initially whose half-life is 10 years, then after 10 years 500 atoms will remain. If you are looking for 20 years, if you have to look for the 20 years, after 20 years we divide by 2, it will now be 250 that will remain. And if you are given wavelength and you have to look for the half-life, you just use this formula: T half equals 0.693 divided by the wavelength. Just let it be in our memory. Okay? Radioactivity. It is spontaneous decay or disintegrations of the nucleus or the atom of an element during which it emits alpha particle, beta particles, or gamma rays, or a combination of any or all three, and energy of each is released. This is the end of our class. In the next class, we are going to see several calculations on half-life. Have a wonderful day.